what is catenation? Catenation is when we connect the last sound of one word to the first sound of the next word. It's especially common when a word ends in a consonant sound and the next word starts with a vowel sound. Instead of choppy, separate words, we create a smooth chain of sound. Think of how an apple isn't said as an apple. Native speakers link them, so it sounds more like an apple. Listen to how these phrases change. Get out becomes get out, take off. Becomes talk off, what is it? Becomes what is it? Practicing this will make your own speech flow much more naturally. Give it a try.